Welcome to Regal Classes. My name is Sanjay Mishra. In this video, we are going to cover Maths 1 Algebra Linear Equations in two variables, practice set 1.4. Now in this practice set, all the variables and the equations, they look non-linear. Equations look non-linear in variable x, y or m. Now we are going to transform the variables into another variable so that the equation gets converted into linear equations, solve them and get back the original variables. So let us see how we do it. Please subscribe so that we can notify you for all our videos which are going to be there to cover the whole syllabus. So practice set 1.4 of Maharashtra Board SSC textbook on Mathematics 1. Let us start with the first problem. Here you have 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 15. 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. So the equation is non-linear in x and y. There are two equations, both are non-linear in x and y. In order to convert them, we convert these variables into another variable. That is 1 by x is equal to m and let 1 by y is equal to n. So replace 1 by x in the equation with m, 1 by y with n. So substitute these in equations. So 2 into 1 by x is 2n minus 3 into 1 by y, 3n is equal to 15. Similarly, 8 into 1 by x is 8n plus 5 into 1 by y is 5n, and that is equal to 77. We'll solve by Cramer's rule because it's easier to solve the equations when using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, coefficients d is a determinant of coefficients 2, 8, minus 3, 5. Then coefficient for calculating, determinant for calculating m, 15, 77, minus 3, 5. Determinant for calculating n, 2, 8, 15, 77. Calculate the determinants. 2 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 10 plus 24 is 34. dm is equal to 15 into 5 minus 3 into 77. It is 75 plus 231, 306. dn is 2 into 77 minus 15 into 8. It's 154 minus 120 is 34. You can calculate m, you can calculate n. Since m is equal to 1 upon x, x is equal to 1 upon m, which is equal to 1 upon 9, n is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1. Answer is xy 1 upon 9, comma 1. You can verify by putting these equations in question 1.1. The equations are 2 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 15. So 2 into 1 upon x. 1 upon x is 9. 18. Minus 3 into 1 upon y. 1 upon y is equal to 1. So 18 minus 3 is 15, which is same as right hand side. In similar manner, you can check 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 77. Let us go to the next problem. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. So let us put 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. Substitute in the given equation. Solve them simultaneously using Cramer's rule. Self-explanatory. Can calculate d, dm, dn, and m is equal to dm by d, which is 1 upon 5. N is equal to dn upon d, which is minus 80, divided by minus 80 is equal to 1. Since m is equal to 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon m is equal to 5, and n is equal to 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1. Adding these two equations, you can get 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Placing x in the equation 5, you get y is equal to 2. You can verify when by placing in equation. Look at the third question. Very similar. Just replace 1 upon x minus 2, 1 upon x y plus 3, 1 upon x minus 2 by m, 1 upon y plus 3 by n, and you solve these equations simultaneously. Here now these numbers are large but they look symmetrical, and therefore we are just adding these two equations first and getting a very simple equation. Similarly, by subtracting these equations we get a very simple equation in m and n. Solve them together to get m and n. And 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m is equal to 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is half. 1 upon 2. X is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2. 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n is equal to 1. So, y plus 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 2. So, for your homework is verify by placing xy in equation 1 and 2. Again, very similar nonlinear equations, but we can convert them into linear equation by transformation of variables. You can see that we have transformed 1 upon 3x plus y as m and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. So they become linear equations. Now simplify these equations so that we don't have fractions to handle. 4m plus 4n is equal to 3, 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. Very easy. Add the equations, you get m is equal to 1 upon 4. Subtract the equations, you get n is equal to half. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m, so is equal to 1 upon 4. Substitute in the equation, you can get x. Subtracting equation 8 from equation 7, you can get y is equal to 1. Placing xy in equation 1 and 2, you can get, and check the verify your result. So our next video lecture is going to be on practice at 1.5. So please subscribe to this video lecture so that you get intimation for next video lecture. We are also uploading lectures on mathematics and coding with Python. If you are interested, the link is given below. Click the link and you can go to that video. Thanks.